First of all, I would like to thank Ntate Moholo Modimo that this university is giving me the honorary doctorate for using this kind of a bottle at my age. Earlier I used to drink like but now, because I'm a doctor, it means I have improved. It means perfection. I can now drink it like slowly and very, very good. Again, I would like to thank my mother. As you can remember, mothers are running up and down, preparing for our future. Ba theosa ba nyolosa dipula sa bosudi be hlogoropo, and they wake up early in the morning while the blankets are still smelling flaters. Ba tswa ka madungwadungwane dikobo di sang gausudu. As you know, as you know, my name is Ngakadianya Isaiah Takantona. You will no more call me Ngakadianya because I'm now a doctor. Instead, you will call me doctors. You will call me doctors difficate. Anyway, this honorary doctorate does not belong to me. It belongs to Basotho. This 2 million Basotho. Anyway, ke a rata Basotho ba heso as the first gentleman of Lesotho. Ke a leboha bana beso. Ga nkgolo ke bophelo. Ke a ikokobetsa.